Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at CVS to bring you guys a 10 off of 50 scenario. Now I don't have a scenario in mind, but I'm gonna go in store to see what I can do, because on Sunday, as you saw in my haul video, I did most of the deals, but there were a couple of deals that I didn't do that I want to use the 10 off of 50 on. So let's see what happens. Let's see what they have in store. For sure, I'm gonna do the Revlon deal because I have that $5 CRT that we got in the red box. And then here goes my 10 off of 50. So I'm definitely going to pick up some Revlon. I have the buy one, get one free coupon. And I'm going to use this $5. So that can bring me towards maybe like 24 something if I pick up the lip glosses that are $12.49, I want to say. So it'll bring me at $24.98. And then I have to complete my 50. So let's see what else I can get to complete the 50. Now, I do have some Irish Spring coupons. I have some Eucerin coupons. And I have some Boost coupons. So I'm going to see what works out well, because I want to try to make this a money maker. So basically take advantage of these 10 off of 50s, because you can definitely have a money maker with these 10 off of 50s. So I'm going to try to concentrate on beauty items. And yeah, guys, let's go in store and see what I can get. Okay, guys, so I'm at the Revlon section, and I want to look for items that are $12.49. I do have this buy one, get one free coupon right here. So if I pick up two items that are $12.49, Revlon this week is spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. So basically it's a limit of 6. So if I was to pick up two $12.49 products, that would be $24.98, and I'll get back an $8 extra buck. So remember, I have the buy one, get one free coupon, and then I also have that $5 off coupon right here. So I'm gonna pick up two of these right here. I picked these up on my other card. As you guys saw in my makeup video yesterday that I did for my other card, that was a really good scenario on just makeup items. So I'm gonna pick up two of these, and then I'm at $24.98. And remember, guys, it's $50 before coupons. So let's see what else I grab to make it $50. So two of these right here. I pick up this one and this one right here. Okay, so these are the first two items that I'm going to grab. Now let's see what else I'll grab. Let me write $24.98 on my pad here. So we have to reach $50. So $24.98 right there. It's hard to write and then the camera. Weird. That was a weird feeling right now. And I know that I have that $5 off right there, and that buy one get one free. So this buy one get one free is going to take off $12.49. This is going to take off an additional $5, so it probably works out to like $7.49, but we're going to get back $8 in extra bucks. So far the Revlon's going to be free after these two coupons. Now let's see what else I'll grab to make the $50. Okay, so I'm gonna go check out the Boost, but I really want to concentrate on beauty stuff in order to get beauty bucks. So I'm going to see how the Boost works into this deal and see if it's worth it. So where's the Boost at? Okay, I found it. So Boost this week is when you buy 4, you get a $10 extra buck, right? And they're also on sale for $6.99. So we have these at $6.99, and then we have these at $7.99. So you pick and choose which ones you want to get. I say get the $6.99 ones because they come out to 17 something, and you're gonna get back a $10 extra buck. They actually come out to $17.98, and we do have a 5 off of 2 coupon. So go on coupontom.com to see where that coupon comes from. I believe is our 15 RMN if I'm not mistaken. But there's 5 off of 2 coupons. You basically use 2 of them. You pay $17.98, but you're gonna get back a $10 extra buck. So they work out to $1.99 a piece. I think I'm gonna add this. I'm not sure. But I kind of want to concentrate on beauty items, because remember, guys, in beauty, every 30 that we spend, we get a $3 beauty buck, and that would just increase my extra bucks. So let's see what else I can grab, and instead of the Boost. So okay, guys, so the next item I'm going to grab is going to be the Irish Spring. So Irish Spring as well as soft soap is buy 3, get a $5 extra buck, and they're on sale this week for $3.99. So I'm going to grab 3 of these right here, right? So let's go back over here. 3 of them will be priced at $11. $11.97. So far we have $24.98 and $11.97. So that's gonna leave us at $36.95. Now body wash doesn't count towards beauty, but I feel like it's gonna be a good deal because they're gonna be super cheap. So as far as coupons, I have this 2 off of 3 Irish Spring body wash that I can use for this, because remember guys, when you use a 10 off of 50, you cannot use any other threshold coupons, but you can use non-threshold coupons. So far I'm using a 2 off of 3 for Irish Spring, as well as that $5 off for Revlon products right there. So picking up 3 of the Irish Spring, I'm going to use 3 of the 75-cent coupons that came out in our inserts this week in our 119 Smart Source, and these coupons are a limit of 4. So make sure you always check the limits on the coupons. So where does it state it? Right there, 4 identical coupons for the same product in the same date. So we're going to use 3 of those coupons, pick up 3 of the Irish Spring. So far we're at $36.95. Now, how much would the Irish Spring come out to? It's at $11.97. I have this 2 off of 3 right here. And then in the app, I have $1 off 2. And then I have these 75-cent off 1 coupons. So after all the coupons, the total would be $6.72. And I get back a $5 extra buck. So it's gonna be $1.72 for all products, or 57 cents each. So I feel like that's really good to add to my 10 off of 50, because number one, I have CRTs for it, I have an app only for it, and I have some great coupons for it, and it comes out to super cheap. So $36.95. We need another $13.05 to complete our $50. So let's see what else I grab. I'm gonna check my CRTs to see what I have. Maybe I will do Eucerin. I'm gonna skip on the Boost deal because I feel like, I don't know, like Boost, I'm spending $7 and getting back 10. With the Irish Spring, I'm spending 6 something and I'm getting back 5. And for the Revlon, basically whatever I put in, I'm gonna get back in extra bucks, actually a moneymaker. So that's how you have to think when you have a 10 off of 50. What makes you a moneymaker, what's super cheap, and you have to reach the $50 before coupons. Always check your CRTs to see what non-CRTs you have that you can pair up with that 10 off of 50. So let's see how Eucerin will work out. Let's see what they have, and then we'll go from there. So let's go check out the Eucerin. If they have the ones that I actually need for the deal, then I'm gonna go with Eucerin. Okay. So Eucerin this week is on a promotion for spend 20, get a $10 extra buck, right? So I'm looking at the skin calming for $9.79, and then I'm looking at the daily hydration for $10.79. So we do have $3 off 1 coupons from our 112 RMN, if I'm not mistaken. Just double check coupontom.com. So basically it comes out to $20.58. I feel like this is a good item to put towards my $50 that I need to spend before coupons, because number one, this counts towards beauty. So far with the Revlon, I'm gonna hit beauty with that, and then with this Eucerin, I'm gonna hit beauty. The only thing that doesn't count towards beauty is going to be the Irish Spring. So let me add in the Eucerin to see where I'm at. So let me just grab these really quickly. This one's kind of dirty, so I'm not gonna grab that one. Let me grab the one behind it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab these just in case, to see how everything works out, because I'm very limited on deals, because on Sunday, remember guys, in my haul I did a lot of the deals. So let me grab these 2. Let me factor in $20.58. So we're at plus 20.58, right? So if I factor in the $20.58, it leaves us at 57.53, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we're at 57.53. So we reached our $50 we needed to spend to get the $10 off, right? And again, we're not using any threshold coupons. So if you have like a 2 off of 6 body wash, a 225 off 10 hand lotion, you cannot pair it up with this because you have to meet each threshold. Now, even when you meet each threshold using this 10 off of 50, for some reason those CRTs get kicked out. So I say do that in separate transactions. As you guys saw on my Sunday video, I did a total of 2 transactions. This is just everything that's left because I want to use this 10 off of 50. So I'm at $57.53 so far. Now let's see what we have in coupons. I have the 2 $3 off coupons from our 112 RMN, and let's see if this actually works out to be a really good deal. So we have that. We have $10 off the back, so we're gonna minus this by $10, right? So we're at $47.53. $47.53, right? And then we're gonna minus all the coupons. So let's see what we have in coupons. We have the $2 for the Irish Spring. So let's minus that, right? Minus $2. And then we have $1 in our app. $1 off 2 for Irish Spring in our app, right? Then we have the $5 off Revlon. So let's do the $5 off Revlon right there, right? Then as far as manufacturer coupons, we have 3 75-cent off coupons. So let's minus the 3 75-cents off coupons. 75, right? So we have those 3 coupons there. And then this coupon is going to take off $12.49. So I'm going to subtract by 12. It's going to take off $12.49, and the max value is $12.99. So we should be good to go. But with this coupon, a manager has to approve it because of the max value of it, and we're picking up an item for $12.49. So minus the $12.49. There you go. And then we have these $3 off coupons right here. So I'm going to use 2 of these. So minus 3. Sorry, this is all scribble scrabble. It's just I have the camera in one hand. All right, so these are all our coupons that we're using for this, right? So let me subtract everything on my calculator, and let's see where we're at with this. Okay guys, so I did the math. So after all the coupons, including the $1 off from the app, our total is going to work out to $18.79. So that's super awesome. I'm going to roll $18 in extra bucks for this deal, right? And according to my app, I only needed $11.40 to hit beauty. So we're going to get back a total of $23 in extra bucks. We get back 8 for the Revlon, 10 for the Eucerin, and 5 for the Irish Spring deal, right? So I only needed $11.40 according to my app for beauty in order to get my next beauty bucks. So I have $45.56 worth of beauty here. So the only thing that's counting towards beauty for this is going to be the Eucerin and the Revlon. So those are the only items that are going to count towards beauty. So I'll get a $6 beauty buck. So I'm completing this today. So within 48 hours, I will get that $6 beauty buck. And remember guys, my last haul on Sunday was a moneymaker as well. This one is also going to be a moneymaker of free plus an $11 moneymaker. So this week, I really racked up on my extra bucks due to the fact that I hit beauty so many times. So the last transaction that I did on Sunday, my last transactions, I got back a $6 beauty buck. And then for this one right here, I'm going to get back $6 in beauty buck. That's $12 in beauty bucks. So basically, I just upped my extra bucks because you guys ask all the time, how do you get so many extra bucks? Because basically I try to hit beauty, and also I do have my $10 care pass, which I'm not going to use at all because I want to use it for my paper products. So once you hit beauty many times and you start racking up on extra bucks, that's when you start getting the things that you need, like toilet paper and things like that. So yes, we do get makeup every single week, and it gets boring every single week getting that makeup, but that makeup is what's going to get us our toilet paper. So okay guys, so this is everything I'm going to grab. Now I need a total of $18 in extra bucks. So I usually get my extra bucks ready before I do any transaction. So I have a 10 here, I have a 6. This was actually the $6 in beauty buck that I got back from Sunday. But look at the expiration date, 2/4. So this is actually the lowest expiration date I do have. So I'm definitely going to use this one here. And then I can use this $10. The 11th, February 11th. So I need 10, that's 16. Let me see, what's the date on this one? 18, and these are all 11. So let me see if I have a 2 that I can use. Hold up. No, that's the only two that I can use, so there you go. I'm using a 2, a 10, and a $6 extra buck. There goes the $18. So I'm going to hand the cashier all my coupons and all my extra bucks together, and I should be good to go. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. I'm going to go in the car. I'm going to show you guys my receipt real quick. That's another thing. I don't show receipts because I honestly don't have to show proof of these deals. They absolutely work. But I'm going to go in the car, show you guys my receipt, show you how everything worked out, and let's see if I predicted the right way that this was going to work out. So I'm going to check out, use my coupons, go in the car, and then show you guys my receipt. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back at the car and I'm going to show you guys my receipt. Everything worked out just the way I planned it to the T, down to the penny. So I did pay tax, of course, but my subtotal was 79 cents. So it was $18.79 after all the coupons. So I paid my 79 cents and then I had a tax of $2.84. Okay, so I got back my $5 in extra bucks. Sorry for the glare. I got back my $10 in extra bucks for the Eucerin, right there. And then I got back my $8 in extra bucks for the Revlon. So I'm going to show you guys my receipt just to show you how everything worked out with the 10 off of 50. So, okay, so there goes the 3 Irish Spring at $3.99 each. So the Irish Spring is actually working for the deal. The soft soap is the one that's acting a little funny, as you guys saw in my Sunday video. And remember, guys, you can do that deal up to 4 times. Okay, there goes Eucerin, $9.79, $10.79. Revlon, $12.49, $12.49. And manufacturer's coupons, I had the 3.75 off coupons for Irish Spring. There goes the $12.49 for the BOGO coupon for Revlon. And there goes the 2 $3 off coupons for Eucerin. I used that 10 off of 50, no issues. $5 off of Revlon, no issues. The 2 over 3 Irish Spring, no issues. And the $1 off 2 from the app for the Irish Spring came off with no issues. As you guys saw, I rolled a 10, a 6, and a 2. So that was a total of $18 in extra bucks. And my subtotal was 79 cents as predicted. And I had a tax of $2.84. So this came out to $3.63. Now your tax is different in your area. And as predicted, as you guys see in the bottom, I needed $11.40 to get my other beauty buck. So I'll definitely get a $6 beauty buck because $57.53 counted towards, no, $45.56 counted towards beauty. Again, here goes my extra bucks, the $5 for the soft soap, the $10 for the Eucerin, and the $8 for the Revlon. And then I got a CRT for 5 off of 25 Gillettes. There you have it, guys. Hope this was helpful. It worked out super, super well. And hopefully you guys could do the same if you have that 10 off of 50 and you have those same coupons. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.